afternoon, folks. Big Bo with RVs with Big Bo at Parkway RV Center. Hope everybody had a great Independence Day celebration and day off. And we're back and going wide open. I took a few days, spent some time in the mountains, had a great time, and thought I'd come back and just got in a couple of these NOBO 10.6s. These are very, very popular. I'm only allotted a couple of these every couple of months when they had the material to actually build them, and I wish I could have about 10 of these, but you know, the material to build these things are hard to come by, mostly the rooftop tents, so I'm able to get maybe 2 of these at a time, and that's it. So I've got 2 as of right now. Today, July 5th, 2022. Probably this time next week they'll both be gone, maybe this time tomorrow. But these are brand new 2022 No Boundaries by Forest River 10.6s, little mini off-road campers, completely loaded out, $28,600 some odd MSRP. I've got them for $20,900, brand new, full warranty. You got the rooftop tent, as you can see, very unique campers. Let's go over it, guys. These are only 1,820 pounds, very, very lightweight. Including the tongue, these are under 14 feet long, 13 feet 10 inches to be exact. You've got a fold-out outdoor kitchen with a cooktop. Of course, your all-important bottle opener. You've got your Truma 12-volt 110 refrigerator. You do have your Batwing awning, which is really cool. I wish I could set it up. This is a 180-degree awning that covers your side and the back of the camper. We do have these, of course, have the Goodyear off-road tires, nitrogen filled tires. Does have the highest ground clearance of any camper in its class. Does have the rear ramp door. Now you can get these without the ramp door, but to me, this is a small camper. I would rather have the ramp door, so not just if I want to haul toys, but you know, you're going to be in a small camper, you want to leave that opened up, let some fresh air in so you don't get claustrophobic. To me, I'd rather have the ramp door than not have the ramp door. And I can order you a what they call a 10.5, which is the same camper without it, but to me, I'd rather have the ramp door. Even if you don't haul toys with it, it's just to let some air in. You know, these are designed to be more or less off-road campers. So you know, majority of people that buy these are going to be camping without hookups anyway. So at least this way you get plenty of fresh air. You've got double entry doors for cross ventilation. You've got a sofa in here that makes a queen size bed, plus your rooftop tent that sleeps too. You got pop-out vents. You've got some storage right here. Got the Discover package, so you've got I did also get it with a 13,500 BTU roof air in case you do go somewhere with hookups, or you've got a generator. You can have nice cold AC, and trust me guys, that'll run you out of here in this little area. But you do have the Batwing awning, goes all the way around. You do have the Rhino rack on top with the kayak holder, or you can use it, you can buy all kinds of accessories for it, ski racks, cargo containers and stuff right from Rhino Rack's website. You don't have to go through a Forest River dealer or NOBO dealer. You do have the Winegard 360 air antenna, full-size spares, stabilizer jacks. Of course, you've got your rooftop tent. This is what slows production down, is availability of these tents. These are, they call it the NOBO Nest, and really cool. You got your shoes and holders and personal possession holders. You can climb up here, guys, and I'm gonna do this one-handed, so y'all forgive me here. I'm hoping my guys set this up right. Look in here, and this is actually a very roomy tent inside here, guys. Easy, big enough for 2 people. And you know, you can open these windows up. You've got screen underneath them, so let some ventilation in here, so you can sleep 4 in this little camper. Very lightweight, so you can easily tow with a Jeep or a small pickup truck or a small crossover SUV. Pretty neat, guys. You know, every one of these we only get 2 of these at a time. And maybe August or September before I get any more of them, sell within a day or two. And I've got one set up for a display unit. I've got another one off to the side not set up. But you can see your rhino rack on the roof, and there's your vinyl cover for your tent when you store it, and we'll show you how to set everything up, of course. Includes full factory warranty. And if you want to know the specifics on the warranty as far as the tent and the actual camper itself, just call one of our salespeople. Be glad to go over that with you. This screen is removable. It's just set up by magnets. You can see right here, guys. I don't know why they hung it like this, but I hope I can show it to you here. MSRP $28,710. Our price $20,900 plus applicable sales tax. We charge no extra fees. No dock fees, no destination fees, no prep fees. $20,900 plus tax, haggle-free firm, lowest price in the country. And I have 2 of these in stock right now, but it may be months before I get any more. And of course, the prices go up every month. So keep that in mind. This is probably the lowest price you're going to see a 10.6 from now on. Maybe these don't go down; they go up. So if you want a 10.6 and I still got these in stock, this is the lowest price you're going to find them from now on. With inflation and supply costs, new RV prices still continue to rise. Not as high as they were, you know, this time last year, but they still have a price increase every quarter. $20,900 while it lasts. Give us a call if you're interested in this little camper at 706-965-7929. Have your credit card ready to leave a deposit, because these things, once these 2 are gone, that's the last I'll have for a few more months. I've got more ordered, guys, but like I said, I'm only allotted so many of these. I wish I could have about 10 or 12 of them, because I would certainly buy them, but you know, heck, we make do with what we can get. And of course, got LED lights, plenty of pop-out vents. I think the 10.6 just makes a lot more logical sense than the 10.5. You got tie-down straps, the vents, you know, things you don't get in the 10.5. But thank y'all so much for watching, guys, and don't forget we do have a few NOBOs in stock if you want some that are slightly bigger. And you can't beat the Parkway price and the fact we charge no fees. We have financing available with approved credit and down payment. We offer nationwide delivery for $2 a loaded mile. I mean, last one of these I sold, I had a guy come from California to buy. The last 10.6 I had. Because everybody was asking MSRP plus. I sold ours, you know, and you can see what our prices are. Several $1,000s under MSRP. So even with transportation costs, it's still worth your while to come here to Ringgold, Georgia to buy your next NOBO. And the fact that, you know, other RV dealerships can add hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in fees on top of the advertised price. All I charge is applicable sales tax, guys. That's it. Easy, simple, and done. No games, no gimmicks, no surprises. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Just wanted to do a quick video. Staying tight. I got some more videos coming up. Smash me a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for some more videos, and feel free to comment and share on social media. And guys, get online, look at some of these NOBO groups on Facebook. I'm not trying to beat my own chest here, but you're going to find people are asking for 18 and 19 and 20 model used 10.6 NOBOs without the 10. People are asking 20 grand, 21 grand used. I got this one brand new without a factory warranty. Mine's brand new with a factory warranty for $20,900. But again, guys, and the reason why is because most of those people paid MSRP for them brand new or close to it. And I'm selling mine right off the bat for, what is that? $6,000, $7,000 under MSRP. So you're already buying a new camper for a less than used price. But that's why we've been in business since 1968, guys. We're primarily a used dealer. This is the only brand that we carry new, is No Boundaries. And so we sell them for a used price. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, it's 30 amp electrical service too. Thank you so much for watching. You got questions, give us a call. And look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia. Oh, we also take trade-ins, and call before coming to look to verify availability. Thanks again for watching.